Kasi spoiled child, only son. Of course, he can talk. He delivers English articulate. Pero ang aral kasi kung saan-saan sa labas. Pero sabihin mo, he's really a weak leader. Kaya ako sabi, totoo yan, hindi ako naninira ng tao. Talagang weak. May crisis, gano'n. Yeah. He's a weak leader. At saka may bagahe siya. Ano yan sinasabi ko din? Totoo yan. I do not voice lies. Masisira ka. Pero bantay ka yan. Kung mali ang Pilipinas na.
Meron po ba tayong contingency?
No. We shut down everything. I guess that's what they want. They want the government to cease working. So yung matuloy yung kanilang mga destabilization na ginagawa.